Senator wa Meru na alikitie kuga ati antu ne bawithuranira kucemania na gita riri umo kumana ndeno ntubo kwithura gutikumenyekanire mubango jwa thirikari jukakinyanira jwa kunenkanira mbeca iria citurite cingiritwe ni ntubo nkucini cia Senate na National Government Assembly iria bakuga batikumenya ire mbeca ici ikare kurwa nuntu mwanka thai mbeca itare kurwa ndene ya county.
With the absence of great or money coming to the counties, because right now there is no single money that has been released to our counties because of the stalemate that we've had from April up to now. We must even be preparing ourselves for 100 times, because I don't think as the Senate we will really indulge. We will not negotiate. I don't think we will be able to negotiate and agree. And as I say, as I stand here, and why I mentioned that the other issues that was to attend to was to attend a consultative meeting on how to proceed on this matter, because we feel the national government is taking counties for granted. We are not living in this country, or we are not here by invitation of anyone. We belong to this country, and we need to understand that the roles given to us by the Constitution are roles that must be respected. We respect the mandate of the national government. We want the mandate of the senators and the governors respected, and where we are not able to agree, then we need to sit down and find a way forward. Where we do not agree, then that is why we have the third arm of government called the judiciary, that whose responsibility is to interpret the law and the Constitution and give its way forward and give its way advice.
Linturi alitijaja igitenereria gukari na graduation ya kuingurira kana kurekuria ana bara barathomaga ndene ya Methodist College of Science iri on graduation yao ya mbere.
Asante sana. Makofi. Haya. Dennis Kome Mudhuri.
Lord Christ my Savior, leading me from day to day. By His love and power controlling all I do or say. Thank you.
Nandire nturi na ugitewe akethirwa akirwaga ndwa iji o mwanka tigire county government ikuthanwa mbeca ira ciagirite na ire ikethirwa ikinganaga. Murethi wa bank reporter Meru TV kumaya mirigone ya Igembe Mawa.
In the practice of my calling with the loyalty, I will help the team in their work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. So help me God. Thank you.